right, I just filmed my icon box. I filmed my boxycharm by Ipsy PR boxes, and now last but not least, we're gonna be doing the Ipsy Glam Bag. This is sent to me in PR. I didn't make any of these selections. We have this cute bag. It's like a textury, like crinkly vibe, and then this reminds me of like, not Juicy Couture, but like kind of like juicy like jewelry. So we have from Ciate London, we see this brand a lot, boxycharm and Ipsy. This is our Vitamin Burst Plumping Primer. Is this for the face? Yes, face primer. Okay, I have a couple of primers from them. This vegan and cruelty free, which I love. So, and the packaging is really cute. Like, it's like Tiffany vibes. And then we have from Szechuan, it's a hair repair treatment. So I need to see if it's a Swedish brand. There's a lot of alcohol in here. A lot of fragrance in here. I need to see if this is vegan and cruelty free, and I will get back to you guys in the empties if I like it or not. Simple packaging though, cute. And then we have from Feel, this is their probiotic moisturizer. And let's see, protects skin, reduces fine lines, and decreases skin elasticity. It is vegan and cruelty free. Love that. So it's made in the US, imported via Vancouver, just not in the US. And then that was just in the bag, and then the actual like packaging. More products we have from Luna Magic. We have this cute crease brush, which looks nice. It's like dense, so that looks nice, like a packer brush, or also like blend it. Feels cheap. It has like some fake little crystals, but you know, whatever. I don't really care. It feels very light, but again, whatever. And then we have from Hair Nova. I've gotten a product from them. I want to say it was like some type of lip product. Oh God, this is what I did not want to get, but gives me, was it M Cosmetics? What brand was it? Like, this is before she rebranded, but like, what is it, this excess like space and stuff, and just looks, I don't know, looks like something you get at like Claire's. No offense to Claire's, but there's also like a piece like coming out. It's right, I don't know, I can't, kind of like right there, you can see like, why is this so big? Like, anyway, I feel it just, that it is cruelty free and vegan. This is does it even have a name? It's just Paranova eyeshadow palette. Okay. And the shadings are on the back. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that. Just, it just seems cheap. Okay. All right, so that was it. So, I mean, this is okay. I don't know how I feel about this. Would you guys be excited to try these? Because, I mean, I don't know. The icon box was the best, okay? If you haven't seen that video, you need to go see it, because Gwen Stefani, she did it, all right? No doubt. Okay, that was a little much. Would you choose these? Or would you not choose these? Or what did you choose if you do get the Ipsy Glam Bag? Let me know in the comments down below. Enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.